Climate of India. We have divided the seasons into three types. They are winter, summer, rainy seasons. On the basis of conditions throughout the year, we have been divided this seasons. Before going into that one, we will see what is the difference between climate and weather. Climate is the thing which is more for longer period, more than 30 years. 30 years is considered as climate. Next, difference between weather and climate is weather, which can be changed frequently. It can change in seconds, minutes, hours. So this is called weather. These are the difference. Next, so the difference or the factors which are causing the changes in climate and weather are temperature, atmospheric pressure, wind, humidity and precipitation. These all are the factors which are responsible for the change of climate and weather. Next, India is the monsoon type of climate because of seasonal reversal of winds. The winds which are coming from the southwest and northeast, this causes the seasonal reverse. Because of this, India will be getting monsoon type of climate. And there is a temperature difference. For example, if you take Delhi, at Delhi the temperature is somewhat hot. You take Tamil Nadu or Kerala, that this is cool because of coastal area. Next, other reason is that this particular area is directly under Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer passes to this particular location. That is the difference. Because of that, there is a temperature difference from one region to another region. Let us see what are the reasons why this climate, weather, all these things are happening. Influence of climate. Why this climate is influencing? Because of latitudes. For example, if you see here, this is the earth. The area at the equator is very much hot because the sun rays are directly falling. The sun rays are falling like this. Because of this, this region is very much hot. This region. If you see, this is going like this. So this is at this particular location, it is very much cold. And this particular location also at the poles it will be cool because of this latitudinal difference. So this equator part will be receiving more insulation. Next, another factor is land water relation. Land and water relation. Land gets heated faster. It gets heated faster because the land area is very much less. The water it will be taking time to heat, and cooling also it will be taking more time. If this is India is, so if it is here, it will be low pressure, means on the sea it will be high pressure. This will be changing, low pressure to high pressure. The winds will be never constant. If it is high pressure here, means on the sea it will be low pressure. So low pressure means, this is important to understand this thing. Low pressure means high temperature. Then it will be high temperature will be there at particular high temperatures at that particular area. If it is high pressure, then it will be low temperature. Upper air circulation. If this is the earth, the middle part is called equator and this is called tropic of. If it is high temperature here, then it will be high temperature will be having what we will be having, low high temperature will be having low pressure. So here low pressure will be there. Here the pressure will be high. So the winds will be blowing in this direction. In the same way here also. In Tropic of Capricorn, the temperature is high. Here high temperature is there. So the winds will be going into the low pressure. The high pressure winds will be going to low pressure winds. So this particular reason, here the temperature will be cold. Here the temperature will be at equator it will be hot, and at the poles, that is North Pole and South Pole, it will be very much cool. As if we have taken, as we go up, as we moving towards upward side, then what will happen? The temperature will be high, increase in temperature, and down temperature will be decreasing. Example, the person flying in the flight, it will be somewhat hot. At Shimla Hills, it will be somewhat cold. The climate will be somewhat close. As they move from the upside, the temperature will be decreasing. Next, why does this summer, winter, all these seasons takes place? We will see that one. If this is the earth, this is equator, this is called Tropic of Cancer, this is Tropic of Capricorn. Now, it is causing summer when the sun is particularly here. Sun is falling on the Tropic of Cancer, it will cause summer. If it is, this is Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, it will be winter. If the sun is in this direction, it will fall sunrise only on this particular area. Then it will be causing winter. So all the people in the world will not experience the same. If we are having summer in India, then it will be winter in Australia. Because the direction of the sun, this thing is happening. Sun rises in the Tropic of Cancer, means it will cause summer. If it is rising in the Tropic of Capricorn, then it will be causing winter in the Australia. This is the difference which is happening. Next, cold winters. When the winters will be starting? It will be starting in the mid of November. From the mid of November till February, the temperature will be very much cold, and December and January are considered as the most coldest months in the India. The temperature decreases from south to north because I just now explained you. At the equator, it will be receiving more insolation, and the Tropic of Cancer passes through North India. That is the reason the temperature will be more at the North India compared to Tamil Nadu. And days will be warmer and nights will be cold in winter season. The weather is marked with, at this time, in November and February, the sky will be somewhat clear with low temperature and less humidity. So this is very much good, and it is a sign for Rabi crops. For the cultivation of Rabi crops, it is the sign. Hot weather, that is we call that one as summers. In summers, it will be starting in India from the March, and it will be very much hot. The temperature will be rising and fall of air pressures will be falling in the northern part, and the hot winds will be coming. They are very much hot winds that are called loos. These hot weathers are called loo. Hot winds also we can see during the over north and northwest India. These loos can be only found mostly in northwest and India. Why? Because the depressions will be formed. Next, pre-monsoon shower. At the end of the summer, there will be some showers which are very much useful for some ripening of fruits like mangoes, all these things. So these are called mango showers. Before rainy season, some showers will be falling, so they are called mango showers. Next, advancing monsoon. This is known as rainy season. So these are caused because if you see, there are rains are caused because of two types, that is southwest monsoon and northeast monsoon. If you see here, this is north, this is south, east and west. So the winds will be coming from this direction. In this way the winds will be going. That is the reason these are called southwest monsoon. Because of southwest monsoon, in southern regions in Khasi Hills, it will be getting highest rainfall. Highest rainfall will be receiving in the Khasi Hills. Next, there will be lot of tropical depressions. And here, if this is Gujarat, all these things, here near Mediterranean Sea, there will be causing depressions. Because of this, the monsoon will be changing. The duration of the monsoon will be somewhat changing. It is not predictable. So it is uncertain. There is uncertainty in the duration of monsoons. Retreating monsoons. Now we have seen the winds are coming from the southwest. In the same way, the winds will be touching at the Himalayas and they will be going back in this direction. In this direction, the winds will be going back. That is through northeast direction. That is from northeast direction. And these are caused mainly in the October and November month. And it will cause hot rainy season. Because of southwest monsoon only, the majority of the rainfall will be causing. Around 80% of rainfall will be causing from southwest monsoon. And northeast it will be very much less. But through this retreating monsoon, it will be raining mostly in Tamil Nadu, all these places. And it is also known as October heat. Distribution of rainfall. Now we have seen which area. In the north, if it is because of northeast rainfall, there will be more rainfall in Tamil Nadu and coastal places. The western coast and northeast India receives about 400 centimeters of rainfall. 400, it is the highest. Rainfall is very much less in Gujarat because it is a coast. Because when there is a cold wind is passing beside the Gujarat, that is the reason why rainfall is very much less. Next, rainfall is very much less in Deccan Plateau. In Plateau, the rainfall is very much less, and east and western Sahyadris also. Snowfall is restricted only to Himalayan regions. Himalayan regions are acting as the boundary, and they are also responsible for monsoons. This is the reason which is helpful in for retrieving monsoon, which the winds are not going to Central Asia, but they are coming in reverse. The annual rainfall is very much highly variable from year to year because of these factors which we have discussed, because of mainly weather and climate. Climate is the thing which is happening for more than 30 years. Because of climate, the rainfall year by year, the climate is being very much changing drastically.